Guys, welcome back to our channel CA Medit Logic. So in this video I'll be going to share a book review on auditing MCQs booklet which is prepared by our team CA Medit Logic. So this book is applicable for May and November 20. If you're watching this video at later point of time, we will be keep on updating this book. So no need to worry. So lots of students have queries in their mind. So why they should prefer this book? Okay, I'll going to give a review on this book. Okay, so do watch the video till end. Whether it is going to help them for their preparation if they buy this book, then how they need to place the order, within how many days they will going to get the book delivered. Okay, so all the price details, everything will going to be discussed in this video. The third question is it necessary to solve MCQ separately by allocating a time? So lots of students will have queries that whether they need to separately allocate time for MCQs and they should give a practice to that, or else if their conceptual clarity are good enough, they would be able to crack all sort of MCQ. So let us understand the importance of solving MCQ. First importance is ICL cannot manipulate any sort of marks in the MCQ. If your answer is correct, they are going to award you 2 marks. Okay. So whereas in case of writing part, if you are not matching the keywords of the answers which ICI expects, then your marks won't be allotted for that. So ICI cannot manipulate marks in MCQ. And the second thing is what advantage of solving MCQ is. So conceptual clarity is sufficient. There is no need to cram anything in terms of MCQs. Okay, if your concepts are very clear, if you have understand it very clearly, what does meant by SA 200, what does standard SA 210 says about, what SQC 1 says about, then it's completely fine. You will be able to crack all the questions of related to that particular standard. So then let us start. This is the look front page, cover page of the book. So it's a one-stop solution we have given it. What is the highlight of this book? This book covers all the RTPs, MTPs, study material, old syllabus also we have tried to cover, whichever is applicable for new scheme. Okay, that much we have taken the care and covered all the things. And it covers integrated case study as well. It covers more than 350 MCQs and 54 case studies are there totally. And chapter wise and essay wise it is covered. Okay, this is the very advantage of this book. Okay, if you are just learning one particular chapter or one particular essay in a day, you can revise that particular chapter or essay and you can start solving your MCQ, so that you will going to test how much conceptually you have understand it. Okay, so this is how it will going to help you to crack your examination. So you can buy from our website www.cameditlogic.com. The link will be given in the description box. We have kept the MRP of 349 rupees including the shipping charges. So on occasion we will be going to give the discounts. So you can download our app and you can check it out. So we have given a thank you note to our institute. Okay, since we have covered all the things from the ICI sources, so we have given a thank you note to the institute. We have just compiled all the RTPs, MTPs, study material, okay, and a few old syllabus, whatever is applicable to the new scheme, okay. So this is the copyright page of the book. Here we have given a beautiful note. Answer of some of the MCQ issued by ICI is not appropriate. And also we have given a writer note explanation, and correct answer will be given for that particular MCQ. Okay, few answers of MCQ booklet of ICI is not correct, and we have given both the answers as per the ICI and as per the our answer which is correct. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. Then this is the index page of the book. Here we have essay 260. This is a newly added standard. Essay 330, this is also a newly added standard. Essay 600 and essay 610, this is also a newly added standard. And then comes ethics and terms of engagement. Along with that, it covers essay 299, which is related to joint audit. So we have given number of questions from each of the standard. So total there are 397 questions, including the integrated questions. There are total 54 questions in integrated, 54 case studies are there. In that each of the case study, there are particular 4 questions. So aroundly 220 MCQs is being covered from integrated case study. And then if you add all the other related essays, it will become aroundly approximately 500 plus MCQs are being covered in this book. Okay, so we have given few pages of the book. You can check it out. The link will be given in the description box. You can check out that PDF before buying it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, we have given on top of every particular essay that which standard it covers. Okay, here we have given the answers of each of the MCQ. Okay, we have not given the answers at the back because it's very difficult to turn the pages and find the answer. So we have given every answer here itself so that it is very convenient. Once you just cross verify, you just close the right hand side, you can just answer all the questions, then later point of time you can check it out. Okay, remove your hands and you can check it out. So this is how we have covered it. Okay, then this comes the integrated case study question number 1, and here we have given a writer note that ICI answer is B, but the correct answer as per our analysis, which is C. Okay, so we have given both the answers so that you don't find it difficult. Okay, so this is how the book looks like, and 70 pages GSM we have used it. We have done the perfect binding so that the book don't get starred after turning out lots of pages. Okay, so this is how the book looks like, and you can place this book order from our website or from our application. The link will be given in the description box. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected, and if you like this video, do like it and do share with your friends as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected and do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Even strategic management summary book, okay, in just 64 pages. So we have covered all the 5 chapters in just 64 pages. This is a colorful book. I have made a separate video of this book review. You can do check it out. I'll going to give the link in the description box. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected. Jai Hind.